Alexa Payet. I'm a partner in the Private Wealth Disputes team. I think there's challenges in sort of three key areas. So first, I think the complexity of disputes is growing. The increase in multi-jurisdictional elements to estates, the dynamics within families. We've got blended families now. We've got large family structures with generational wealth to be passed down. There's lots of complexities that comes with that. There's also been an increase in digital assets and informal sort of lifetime gifting, and I think that changes the evidential landscape. So it makes these cases more complex. And coupled to that, I think there's been an increase in cases that we see. So for genuine specialist lawyers in this area, there is a challenge to have the capacity to deal with the number of cases that we are seeing and not to compromise on quality. So that will come in the form of strategic recruitment, for example, making sure we've got the right makeup of a team to be able to manage those cases and retain the quality. And then I'd say the third key issue is the change in client expectations. So clients require advice at pace. That's the same for referrers, I would say. They want strategic commercial advice and they want it quickly. And there's a challenge with that in terms of, again, maintaining quality. Clients want also to have more certainty over costings. They want options for fees and that sort of thing, which in litigation can be quite a challenging area. But I think all of that also brings lots of opportunity, because the best teams and the firms that will really win at that are the firms that can be collegiate and have the cross-team and collaboration between the non-contentious, the contentious sides, that bring all the right fee earners in at the right levels to be able to service those clients. And also I think clients need more emotional intelligence. You can't just be good at the legals. I think we've all got the technical expertise, maybe at varying levels, but that emotional intelligence and humanity, especially in private wealth disputes, is really important. So the pace is definitely something. They want to have the advice quickly. It needs to be well formulated and strategic. That's really important. I'd say clients have more information at their fingertips than ever before, which can bring challenges, because they'll think they know more about something, or they might run your advice through an AI engine and test it, and they might come out, and often will come out, with a different answer. So managing client expectations from that point of view, I think can be quite challenging. All of the strategizing that goes on in the background. So every time I get a new case, a lot of thought goes into our next steps. So whether it's a carefully crafted letter or a call to an opponent, a well-timed kind of call, to avoid issues becoming contentious before they have. A lot of that goes on in the background, and the client doesn't see it at all, but they will benefit from it. And by the time I've done all of that thinking and that strategizing, they may never know those conversations have happened, or at least not in real time. But the advice they get then is clear and concise, it's confident, and that's because of all the behind the scenes work that I've been doing that they'll never see. And I'd say another point to that is the collaboration. So knowledge sharing within the team itself, but also with other teams, is really, really important. So I love that they come to me as their trusted advisor. They are going through really stressful, emotional times. And some of them, especially in the assisted dying work that I do, they have experienced real trauma in the way that they've lost their loved one. And so the fact that they come to me and they trust me is an absolute privilege. To be able to be the calm, reassuring person to guide them through and find clarity and resolution, there's no better feeling than that to me. I absolutely love it.